Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert Outlook emails to CSV. Search on Google to cover PST Converter Wizard. Click on Download. Install now. Outlook Data Conversion Options. Auto Detect Outlook Data File. Manual selection of Outlook data file. Select PST file. Check the file. Click on CSV. Select Destination folder. Trail version limitation. Buy or activate product license here. Saving log. Converted CSV file.